Hey everyone, welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to withdraw your Rakuten funds. If you've been earning cash back from your online shopping sprees, you might be wondering how to turn those rewards into real money in your bank account. Don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the process step by step, so you can get your funds hassle-free. First off, let's make sure you're all set up. You'll need a verified Rakuten account and some accumulated funds. Rakuten usually has a minimum withdrawal amount, like $5 or more, depending on your region, so double-check that before you start. Step 1. Log into your Rakuten account. Head to the Rakuten website or app, enter your email and password, and make sure your account is fully verified if you haven't done so already. This helps prevent any delays. Step 2. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Wallet or Cashback section. This is typically found in the main menu or dashboard. Look for icons related to rewards or funds. Step 3. Find the withdrawal option. It might be labeled as Withdraw Funds, Transfer to Bank, or something similar. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Choose your withdrawal method. Rakuten often supports bank transfers, PayPal, or even gift cards. Select the one that works best for you, and enter the required details like your bank account number or PayPal email. Step 5. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure it's above the minimum threshold and double-check for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 6. Review and confirm the transaction. You'll probably need to agree to terms and maybe verify with a code sent to your phone or email. Once confirmed, sit back and wait. The processing time can take anywhere from a few days to a week. And there you have it. Withdrawing your Rakuten funds is straightforward once you know the steps. If you encounter any problems, reach out to Rakuten's customer support. They're usually pretty helpful. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Let's keep those rewards flowing.